million sandbags, and you talk to these officials, and you know, everybody from high school students, football players, even prisoners are out there helping out, of course, the military. These officials seem, at least to me, remarkably calm.
Yeah, we had the gentleman on earlier with emergency management in Fargo, and well, I mean, that's part of their job to remain calm, right? But he did say very optimistic because they had all of these people helping them, coming in from neighboring states as well, and we just saw some of that video from the National Guard there, too. 800, I guess, National Guard troops in the Fargo area.
Wow.
Yeah.
So anyway, let's talk about the lay of the land. Number of rivers, not just the Missouri and the Red River, but a number of them out here. This is Google Earth, and anything that you see with the red is moderate flooding. Anything you see purple is a river gate that's experiencing major flooding, and that would include the Red River, which flows to the north through Fargo up towards Canada. And the forecast for this is for it to crest still around 40 feet. Right now it's about 35 feet. That's well above flood stage. Expected to crest sometime Friday or Saturday, potentially at historic levels that could date back over 100 years. So that's certainly remarkable. All right, over to the Missouri River we go. This is towards Bismarck and at least the headwaters of the Missouri. Bismarck here, a little bit downstream from Bismarck, is that Fox Island area. And again, there's a lot of tributaries that feed into the Missouri, and a couple of these are jammed up with ice. So they're just trying to free up some of that ice and get the water flowing a bit more freely. Upriver from Bismarck, the Garrison Dam, which holds one of the larger reservoirs there in North Dakota, in Northern Plains, as a matter of fact, there it is. The Army Corps of Engineers actually has decided to shut down the spillways, and they've never done that. So that's in precautionary measure to try to get some of the water from stop flowing downstream. All right, where's the good news here? I want to talk briefly about what's going on with Mount Redoubt, which continues to erupt. It was quiet there for a little while, and then we just got word that about an hour ago they had a minor explosion, Heidi.
Yeah.
This is all happening on the northern flank of the Drift Glacier there. Down at the bottom of the valley, there's, I believe, a Chevron facility where they've actually evacuated some people because there's lahar mud flows and other things that are heading down that glacier because of the heat and from this eruption. So this continues to percolate, and from what the experts are telling us, you know, they should have at least, you know, last time this erupted, they had like 20 eruptions. Yeah. So we're not even halfway there yet. This is going to continue to percolate.
Is that normal? I mean, to have that many eruptions? I mean, who knows?
Apparently, with this sort of volcano, it is. And I guess they just go by history. And 20 years ago, last time it erupted, they had about 20 explosions. So the good news is we're not looking at, you know, these massive things where it just blows out things like a nuclear bomb or something you'd see in Hawaii. But they're just, this magma is just kind of percolating to the surface and
just making its presence known.
It's all, you know, it's Mother Nature just saying hi.
All right, very good.